Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So for some news for tomorrow, we have the GBP volatility here. So we have the current account and the final GDP news as well for tomorrow. So expecting a bit of volatility there, and also a little bit of US dollar volatility. So some personal spending, personal income news, and the Treasury currency report. So that's not too much volatility there, but in the large sum. But these are obviously these are the types of news that affect the current pairs that we're looking at on this channel. So go straight into GBP USD. We can see we're coming into our yellow reversal now that we spoke about. If we pay attention to the RSI, we're currently oversold, so potentially we may find some retracement or some sort of bullish momentum to the upside, and that could be a potential to get in a buying order. But we'll see how price action pans out for tomorrow, especially regarding the GBP news as well. Moving on to Euro USD, still moving a bit sideways here. We can see some weak, so we can see rejection on this weekly level, 1.11365. Huge bearish engulfing candle here, so possibly we could see this come to the down, fall and close to the downside of this reversal zone, unless we pick up some bullish pressure and find some bullish sentiment candle, then we could see this continue to the upside. Moving on to USD JPY. So in regards to last night, we had the closure of this candle, so which spiked into this reversal area. Now, we've not really covered this pattern a lot, but this evening star formation arose here, and you could have taken a short there. Obviously, I'm not expecting a lot of people to take that trade, but it was risking 15 pips and it was shorting it all the way to the next down reversal zone here. So I'm not entirely keen on that. I'm not convinced that most people would have taken that trade. So just for future references, bearish engulfing candles, evening star, morning star formations. This is a evening star here, and sorry, a morning star. This is basically a push to the upside, a pin bar, and then the push to the downside, which is very big here. So there is some volatility here, and we're pushing into this reversal zone right now. So we'll wait for the Asian session to finish, and we'll see how this plays out in terms of push to the upside or push to the downside. And finally, moving on to gold, we can see that we're coming into our reversal zone again. So if I just extend this a little bit here, we can see we're punching into this reversal zone here, and we're finding that support that we talked about on this EMA. So we're potentially coming back into this reversal zone now. No, not really a problem if some of you did take that short trade earlier on in the week. It's not a problem. It probably would have cut you out now, but it's always good to recollect and reanalyze where the market is heading. So we could be potentially finding another short option here for gold. So keep in mind with the news as well for tomorrow, in particular the pound and the US dollar. Hopefully that helps. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for obviously all the future analysis videos, and hopefully you're starting to understand the strategy a bit better now. So if you do, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.